The answer is yes and no, and it may surprise you why. So in this episode, we will talk about, is marketing automation important for a small business? Also about the reason why it can be or why not. And after that, I will share with you a simple method on how to make the right decision about marketing automation specifically for your business. My name is István Bújda and welcome to the 47 Marketing Show that reveals marketing automation strategies for busy entrepreneurs to get more done in less time and ultimately replace yourself in digital marketing and business. You will understand soon when to use marketing automation and when not to use it. We will go through this topic from two very different angles so you are aware of the top marketing automation benefits and if those are actually relevant specifically for you. Then I will tell you about a simple method on how to make the right decision about marketing automation specifically for your business. And saving the best for last, you will see some real-life examples. Okay, let's dive in right now. Why is marketing automation not important? There are certain situations when marketing automation does not support your success. It actually goes against it. We all define success in a different way. What success means to your family, friends, and others can be very different from what it means to you. So I will share with you a few examples and cases when marketing automation is not important and won't support you so you can see if this is what resonates with your definition of success. If you absolutely love live and virtual networking, the one-to-one conversations, and if you enjoy the process of finding new leads this way, it makes you happy. And if you can find enough leads and clients to support your dream lifestyle, and if you love the direct connection and follow-ups, and even after a long day you feel energized, if this sounds like you, then marketing automation is not ideal for you because it's a different approach than what resonates with you. Okay, now let's talk about why marketing automation is important and what the top benefits of marketing automation. Now pay attention to if the following cases resonate with you more than what you heard earlier. If your ultimate goal is freedom and to be able to live your life on your own terms, and if your dream is to own your business so it can financially support your freedom instead of working in it, and if you want to replace yourself in marketing and business the most efficient way, in a way that a lot of parts of your audience building, traffic, lead generation, online sales, follow-ups, and more can run on autopilot 24/7, 365 days, then marketing automation can be an ideal strategy for you. Let me share with you a few more examples on what can marketing automation do for a small business so you have the full picture to make a decision. Besides the previous cases, if you love creating automated assets that work instead of you and generate the results you want, and if your goal is to have an easily scalable business that is constantly growing and helps more and more people, and if your calling is to help as many people as possible to create a business, a movement that is bigger than you, and if the journey of bigger and bigger achievements makes you happy, if this sounds like you, then marketing automation is ideal for you. It is a great tool and strategy that will definitely support you on your marketing and business journey. For a few seconds, let me stop here and ask you a quick favor. If you enjoyed this episode so far, gently tap the like button right now and turn it into blue. And with that, you will support us to create more videos for you just like this one. So thank you for your like, and now let's continue. In a minute, I will tell you about that simple method on how to make the right decision about marketing automation specifically for your business. Before that, a quick note on the ultimate way of replacing yourself so you know what's beyond just simply using marketing automation. With the combination of marketing automation, delegation, and systemization, you can completely replace yourself in various parts of your marketing and business. The rule of thumb is to automate as much as possible, delegate the parts that are not possible to automate, and create systems, detailed guides on who needs to do what, how, and when, especially when you are not there. And that's the ultimate way of replacing yourself while your business is still growing. In the dedicated episode, I talked about the strategy of replacing yourself in more details. If you want to check that out after this episode, you will find a link to that in the description. With that said, it's time to talk about the simple method on how to make the right decision about marketing automation specifically for your business. It is super simple. Ask yourself these specific questions. Will marketing automation support my goals? Will it help me to get there simpler and faster? If the answer is yes to both, then it's the right decision to try marketing automation in your business. And now let me show you a few real-life examples of marketing automation. These are assets that can work 24/7, 365 days for any small business. In the area of audience building, these marketing automation assets are regularly published content. Once you publish them 24/7, 365 days, for years, they keep building you a group of people who know you, like you, and trust you to a certain level. Contents like this marketing shoe. The next area is traffic. Besides the fact that published content is a great form of marketing automation to build an audience, it also drives warm traffic on autopilot through the links in the video and podcast description, or mentioned in the video or podcast, or links in a blog post, and so on. As a real-life example, check out the description of this episode. The third area is lead generation, where lead funnels are the most efficient form of marketing automation. They work relentlessly 24/7, 365 days and turn visitors into leads on autopilot. You can see a real-life example on 47smi.com. The next area is online sales. Either you have digital or physical products or services. Using sales funnels is a really effective marketing automation strategy to keep building your client pool even when you are on holiday or sleeping. A great example in this area is the sales funnel of the Dot-Com Secrets book by Russell Brunson. And the cherry on the top is that the book actually reveals 28 underground secrets of sales funnels. I will leave you a link to it in the description. And the fifth key area is follow-ups. Imagine this as a series of emails to reach out daily to your leads and clients on autopilot, to follow up with them, to give them value so they get to know you, like you, and trust you more, and ultimately sell them more of your offers. The great benefit of this marketing automation is that as long as your leads and clients are on your list for months, years, decades, you can be in that inbox every day, even if you have a lot of them. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. It helps the channel a bit, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the future videos just like this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.